coming.
Then comes one of the most valuable sightings of the day. A SRI Lankan leopard resting on a tree after a successful hunt. The leopard has secured its prey and carried it into the branches. This behavior helps protect the kill from scavengers and competitors. Relaxed and confident, the leopard rests while keeping watch over its hard-earned meal. Moments like this are exceptionally rare and represent the dream sighting for many visitors to Yala. More exciting news arrives. The sloth bear has appeared. We quickly make our way to the location. Soon, the bear emerges onto the road. It is feeding on small animals and insects found on the ground. Sloth bears are powerful animals with excellent digging abilities and an extraordinary sense of smell. To our amazement, the bear walks directly behind a safari jeep and begins scratching itself against the rear bumper. The entire scene unfolds just a few meters away from us. For several minutes, the bear displays its natural behavior before calmly disappearing back into the forest. An unforgettable encounter. As evening approaches, we encounter an elephant family herd. Asian elephant societies are matriarchal. The herd is led by an experienced female known as the matriarch. Within the group are mothers, daughters, sisters, and young calves. Male calves remain with the herd during their early years. However, once they reach maturity, they eventually leave and begin living independently. These solitary males are the elephants we often encounter alone in the wild. Watching the family interact highlights the strong social bonds that exist among elephants. Our final stop takes us to another large lake. Crocodiles line the shoreline. A Brahmini kite feeds nearby while spot-billed pelicans gather in impressive numbers. The lake is full of life. Soon, a large herd of elephants arrives to drink. Adults and calves move carefully to the water's edge. The young elephants stay close to their mothers as the herd quenches its thirst before continuing its journey.
Mari.
Bagaimana? Hah? Hah? Pas banget.
Katelekan ni. Neng udah ini.
As the day draws to a close, we encounter yet another musk elephant, and a magnificent tusker feeding peacefully in the distance. From rare birds and crocodiles to elephants, sloth bears, and the legendary Gemunu, today's safari has showcased the incredible diversity of Yala National Park. Every safari tells a different story. Every sighting becomes a memory. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ceylon Wildlife. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. Until next time, stay wild and keep exploring. This is Ceylon Wildlife.